Well, howdy, folks. Welcome to Mower Mike's. And if you're watching this video, you're probably pissed off at those damned leaky front lawnmower tires. Well, don't worry. I'm here to help you fix your issues. Because in this video, we are going to show you the best possible way to fix those front leaky lawnmower tires permanently, easily, and quickly. This is the surefire way because I've filmed more videos than probably anybody on the internet on fixing lawnmower tires with slime and plugs and foam and tubes. But I tell you what, I came across something on the Amazon the other day that I was like, oh my gosh, this is the answer. $68 to your door. 2 front lawnmower tire wheel assemblies. Tubed tires. This is an amazing deal. And it comes with all new bearings, bushings. So this is a complete replacement. And folks, if you've never removed your front lawnmower wheel tires, I can't even say it straight, but removing the front wheels is super, super easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're going to strap on these new guys here and get you back going. So the first thing you need to do is jack up the front end just enough to pull those suckers off. I do suggest you put some wheel chocks on the front end so it doesn't slip around. But now when you look underneath here, all of your cheaper riding lawnmowers, they should have a little bracket underneath here that goes to your deck. So I'm just sliding my jack underneath here and hit that. You can hit the axle, just anything to get this sucker elevated. So with that, let's go ahead and zoom in. We're gonna yank this sucker off. I'm gonna show you these new bad boys and get you back to mowing. All right, now it is time to yank that front wheel off. As you can see, I got it elevated. And do not stress about this. Trust me, this is probably the easiest thing I'll ever show you how to do on this lawnmower channel. For tools, you need a crappy pair of pliers, a crappy flathead screwdriver, and maybe a little coffee to get you going in the morning. That was really, really lame. So, all right, so first thing you're gonna see on here is a dust cap. Now, these dust caps do get a little sticky. That's why I suggest a pair of pliers. All right. Dust cap is off. Next, it's gonna get a little dirty, folks. So if you're like me, don't care about getting dirty, don't worry about gloves. But if you don't wanna get dirty, trust me, gloves. What you're gonna see on here is that there is a little clippy that we've got to wedge off of there. Oh my gosh, it's got so much crap on there, you can barely see the clippy. But you're gonna see it. So what you do, you can just get your screwdriver in there and you start prying that sucker off. All right, let me see if I can get my big fat hand out of there. Ugh. I can see they get a little nasty, but wow, I said this would be the easiest thing on my channel ever. All right, I can see it's coming off. Ugh. Now look at that thing. This is the main clip. This is all that holds the wheel on. I can see you try to get a screwdriver underneath this part here, and then you spill your coffee. Well, this is turning into more difficult than I thought. All right, so we've got the clip off, and next, what we do very easily, we try to hold the camera steady. There is a washer you don't want to lose, and then the whole assembly just slides off like so. Super, super easy. And it should be easier for you than what I just showed you. Remember, it's just yank off the dust cap, pop the clip off, it just pushes off, and then yank her off. Okay, mower nuts, let's go ahead and install our new wheel and tire combo on our front spindle. Now, your new wheel and tire combo does come with some new hardware. You can see right here, we've got 2 washers and a clippy. Now, before you install, you want to install the first washer on your spindle. That's going to go on the inside, it slides all the way in there, and then we're going to slide on our wheel. Now, you're going to notice on this wheel, I've gone ahead and replaced the bushings with bearings. That is an easy upgrade, as we talked about. I'll go ahead and put that link below. But when you do that, if you've upgraded the bearings, you don't need to grease this. But if you're going back with the bushings, go ahead and put some wheel grease on there. I'll put a link down below because it's going to be sliding on here and you want that to be well greased. So all you do, super simple. First, make sure your air filler upper is on the outside. I should know the name of that. All right, and it just slides on. It's super, super easy like so. And then once you get it on there, you just install your other washer and then your new clip. Now you're gonna notice this new clip is a lot tighter than that old one. So what I suggest is a pair of channel locks. Every shop needs a pair of channel locks. I'll put a link below, of course. And then you just snap her on there. Let's see if I can do it in one stroke. Nice. And look at that. That is looking good. And then also your wheel and tire combo comes with a new grease cap. And all you do is you slide it over like so. Come on. Like so. All right. And that is brand new, folks. Look at that. That is looking sharp. So what we've got here, we've got fresh rubber with a tube, all new bushings or bearings in there, and you should be good to go. I think this is an easy upgrade to fix your leaky front tire issues. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some other links down below, because you might, when you would do this, you might want to go ahead and replace drag links. You might want to replace the spindle, some different things you can do in addition to just doing this. But with that, Mower Mike's out of here. Catch you next time.